In this video, we can talk about top 5 Spinbot alternatives and competitors. Hello again and good to have you here on our Alternatives channel. If you're tired of using Spinbot and looking for some fresh options, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll present you with the top 5 alternatives of Spinbot, which are DeepL, Grammarly, Plagiarism Detector, Orignality, and Paraphrasing Tool. So without any delays, let's delve into these alternatives. First one on our list is DeepL. DeepL is a powerful writing assistant that comes with advanced capabilities of artificial intelligence to provide you with accurate translations and smart suggestions in multiple languages. It offers exclusive features like multiple format support, data organization, and seamless document translation. Whether you're writing an email, crafting an article, or composing a document, DeepL is the best choice. And it also comes with one of standout features that lies in its unparalleled translation quality, making it the go-to tool for global communication. Next one on our list is Grammarly. A widely recognized name in the writing enhancement domain, Grammarly is known for its comprehensive grammar and spell-checking abilities, ensuring that your writing is error-free and polished. It offers excellent features like grammar and spell check, improving sentence structure, and style suggestions. With Grammarly by your side, you'll be able to express yourself with confidence and precision. But that's not all. Grammarly's standout feature lies in its advanced writing insights, offering suggestions to improve your vocabulary, tone, and overall clarity. Our third alternative is Plagiarism Detector. Plagiarism Detector is an accurate tool that helps to maintain originality by identifying any instances of plagiarism in your written work. It offers features like plagiarism checking, paraphrasing, and multi-language support, accurate plagiarism checking, multiple language support, and smart spin. This tool can thoroughly scan your content and compare it against a vast database of sources to ensure its uniqueness. One of the standout features that you should know about is its comprehensive report, highlighting the exact areas where duplicate content has been detected. The fourth alternative is Orignality. Orignality is a tool that offers an innovative approach to plagiarism detection, utilizing advanced algorithms to compare your writing against an extensive database of online sources. It offers exclusive features like accurate AI detection, one-click AI score, and an originality report. With Orignality, you can be confident that your writing is truly one of a kind. And one of the standout features of Orignality lies in its real-time analysis, providing you with instant feedback on the originality of your work and offering suggestions for improvement. Last but not least, we have Paraphrasing Tool. Paraphrasing Tool is an indispensable tool for rephrasing and restructuring your text. It comes with features like Plagiarism Checker, Summarizing Tool, and Readability Checker. Paraphrasing IO utilizes state-of-the-art natural language processing techniques to help you transform your writing while retaining its original meaning. And one of its standout features is its ability to generate contextually appropriate synonyms and sentence structures, allowing you to create unique content effortlessly. When compared to Spinbot, DeepL stands out as an exceptional alternative with its advanced translation quality, ensuring accurate and reliable translations across multiple languages. Grammarly offers comprehensive grammar and spell-checking features, allowing you to eliminate errors and enhance the overall quality of your writing. Plagiarism Detector addresses the critical concern of originality by thoroughly scanning written content for any instances of plagiarism. Orignality takes a unique approach to plagiarism detection, utilizing advanced algorithms to compare written work against an extensive database of online sources. Paraphrasing Tool shines in its ability to rephrase and restructure text while preserving the original meaning. Considering the unique features and comprehensive capabilities, we would recommend Orignality as the best alternative to Spinbot. Its emphasis on real-time analysis and feedback, coupled with its extensive database of online sources, ensures that writers can produce authentic and original content. With Orignality by your side, you can confidently create written work that stands out from the rest. We hope this comparison has helped you gain great insights into the strengths and benefits of these Spinbot alternatives. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.